China, with over a quarter of its landmass covered in desert, has created a Great Green Wall, visible from space.
在三北区域，我们可以看到有一些像拼图一样很规则的绿色板块，正在一点点向土黄色地带舒展延伸。
How do the Chinese people, through wisdom and effort, create the green miracles? The history of human civilizations is also about the evolving relationship between man and nature. China's better natural environment offers its people more accessible and sustainable green benefits. Saxaws, a drought-resistant shrub that anchors into sand with its roots, are treasures to combat desertification.
看，这个就是我们挖出来的乳豚茸，号称沙漠人参，人们都能称是个500-600块钱。
Sistanche, a cash crop, parasitizes the roots of saxaws. Planting the two together creates a dual benefit of combating desertification while increasing locals' incomes.
南坡的大海我没见过，但是我们粑粑沙有花海，看见爷爷们父辈们把这个粑粑沙织了的牛肉花哨，让沙漠生出金蛋蛋来。
As the saying goes, if we do not fail nature, nature shall never fail us. This is what the Chinese people believe in. Forest building, ecotourism, carbon trading. Chinese people have explored various paths for green transition to turn lucid waters and lash mountains into invaluable assets. This Beijinga has been photographing Beijing's sky every day since 2013. From smoggy days to blue skies, China has improved its air quality with the fastest speed in the world. Behind China's blue skies, green lands, and clear waters is a systematic, hard-fought battle. Since the 18th CPC National Congress, the country has prioritized eco-environmental conservation and green development, and promoted the comprehensive green transformation of economic and social development. From 2012 to 2022, China's annual energy consumption growth rate of 3% supported an average economic growth rate of 6.5%. That's equivalent to saving 1.4 billion tons of standard coal and reducing carbon dioxide emissions by about 2.94 billion tons. China has embarked on a green low-carbon path with firm commitment and great wisdom. At present, nearly half of the world's installed capacity of photovoltaic power is in China, as the country taps into the potential of its diverse landforms. In Fujian's hilly areas, solar panels are arrayed across terraced fields where crops are cultivated. In Zhejiang, photovoltaic panels are set up above fish farms where aquaculture is developing alongside renewable energy.
鱼光互补的模式，一年来鱼窑的总发电量预计就能达到1.8亿千瓦时，节约了标准煤5.85万吨，不仅提升了水域亩产，同时也提供了大量的农户就业岗位。
Around May each year, Tibetan antelopes start their migration to Hosil to give birth. Along the Qinghai-Xizang highway, it's common to see vehicles stop to allow Tibetan antelopes to cross the road, manifesting the Chinese people's reverence for nature. Thanks to the continuous conservation efforts in Sanjiangyuan National Park, many rare wildlife species, with some at risk of extinction, have made a remarkable comeback. Home to the highest natural World Heritage Site, Sanjiangyuan boasts the world's largest plateau wetland ecosystem. Every year, it welcomes groups of scientific researchers.
长江科学院生活科学考察队现在来到了长江源东高马底冰川脚下，主要是关注长江源区的水土、沙生、冰、碳等在全球气候变化的影响下的变化规律。
Protecting black soil, restoring degraded grasslands, reclaiming desertified land, and conserving water supply. Multi-pronged ecological restoration measures have helped revive the once fragile ecosystem.
我们的草地覆盖率比5年前呢提高了4.5个百分点，我们的湿地覆盖率稳定在66%左右。藏羚羊、藏野驴、野牦牛啊，生物多样性得到了极大的恢复。
China is developing a protected area system with national parks as the mainstay, implementing an integrated approach to protect and restore mountains, rivers, forests, fields, lakes, grasslands, and deserts, so as to leave a beautiful ecological environment for future generations. In Kenya's Tsavo, along the Chinese-built Mombasa-Nairobi standard gauge railway, animals can move freely through wildlife passages. The railway passes through nature reserves, such as the Nairobi National Park and Tsavo National Park. In order to reduce the impact on the environment, a series of measures have been taken during the design and construction of the railway, such as bypassing the mangroves.
What we did, we made temporary culverts, such that we make sure water will flow from the sea to this other side.
Mangroves thrive in salty waters. They can help improve water quality and play an important role in maintaining biodiversity and in carbon capture and storage. A Chinese tech firm is committed to protecting mangrove biodiversity through artificial intelligence.
Hemos hecho realidad algo que era un sueño de él, conservar estas tierras, porque decía, mis nietos lo van a ver al jaguar.
In September 2023, China officially set up an international mangrove center.
通过这种国际交流、国际合作，然后把我们的保护管理经验，特别是在这种超大型城市、这种人与自然、城市与湿地这种和谐共生的这么一些案例，然后能作为经验给他们做一些交流。
Advocating for a green belt and road, sharing desertification control experience with African nations, collaborating on renewable energy projects with other countries, and making solemn carbon reduction commitments to the world. China is taking concrete actions to promote joint green development worldwide, share the benefits of environmental sustainability, and build a community of all life on Earth.
And I love this slogan, Beautiful China, and I want it replicated in a beautiful every nation in the world. There's beauty everywhere, and we need to focus on that.
生态兴则文明兴，我们应该携手努力，共同推进人与自然和谐共生，共建地球生命共同体，共建清洁美丽世界。